Hello, everyone, and welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how to manage contacts in HubSpot CRM step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Let's start with the basics. In HubSpot CRM, contacts are the people you do business with. They can be leads, prospects, customers, or partners. All your emails, calls, notes, and deals are connected to these contacts. To access your contacts, log into your HubSpot account. From the top menu, click on Contacts, then select Contacts again. This will open your full contact database. To add a new contact manually, click on Create Contact. Enter details such as first name, last name, email address, and phone number, then click Create. If you already have a contact list, you can import contacts in bulk. Simply click on Import, upload a CSV or Excel file, match the fields, and complete the import. Each contact in HubSpot has properties. Properties store information like email, lifecycle stage, lead status, company name, and contact owner. You can also create custom properties, such as lead source or interested product, to better organize your data. When you open a contact record, you'll see the activity timeline. Here, you can track emails, calls, meetings, notes, and tasks all in one place. You can also associate contacts with companies and deals. This helps you see the complete relationship between a customer and your sales pipeline. To organize contacts better, use lists. You can create active lists that update automatically or static lists that stay fixed. Lists are very useful for segmentation and email campaigns. Assigning contact owners is another important step. It ensures every contact has someone responsible for follow-ups. HubSpot also helps prevent duplicate contacts. You can review and merge duplicates to keep your database clean. In summary, managing contacts properly is the foundation of using HubSpot CRM effectively. When your contact data is organized and up to date, your sales and communication become much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching.